Hi guys, and welcome back to another short video tutorial. Today, we'll go over how to add a merchant in Crony back office. Merchants are used to help track card deposits, gas POS card activity, and regular merchant processing transactions in the daily book and related POS, and also helps you reconcile your transactions. To begin, open the merchant setup page from the setup section, or you could use a smart search instead. Once there, click Add. There are three common merchant setups: a fuel jobber, a fuel non-jobber, and a regular merchant. Fuel jobber. If you're adding a fuel jobber, select fuel as the merchant type. Turn on the Is Jobber toggle. In the description field, enter the POS name, jobber name, or the gas company name. This is the name that will appear in the daily book under the gas POS card section. Next, select the vendor. This should be your jobber name or gas company name. You can also click the Add button and create one if none is created. Make sure the Is Active toggle is enabled. If you have created an EBT button for your gas POS, or if you accept EBT on your gas POS, enable the EBT toggle as well. Once everything is entered, click Save. Keep in mind, you can only have one jobber active at a time. A fuel non-jobber. If this is a fuel merchant but not your jobber, click Add again and select Fuel. Do not enable the Is Jobber toggle if this merchant is only used to receive card deposits. Enter the description, select the vendor, and then choose the bank where the merchant provider deposits the credit card amounts. Enable Is Active and enable EBT only if it applies to your gas POS. And then you can click Save. Now for regular merchant. For normal non-gas POS card transactions, you can use regular merchant. You click the Add button, select regular, and enter the description. This can be your POS name or terminal name, for example, Clover. Then select the vendor. Make sure Is Active is enabled and click Save. Once saved, the merchant will be available in the system and can be used for tracking deposits and related transactions and reconciliation. And that's it for adding a merchant in Crony back office. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming short tutorials like this so you can learn and work better for your business. That's all from me today. I'll see you guys in our next video.